I was looking for ways to be home more with my son. With my line of work, if I'm not at work, I'm not getting paid. So being self-employed, it can be quite difficult, and I just wasn't willing to sacrifice that time anymore. So, I paid the $149, I had my coaching call, and then I got started with the training. It took me about 3 weeks. Again, I was still working about 40 to 50 hours a week to get through it, but I would get it pockets here and there. And then currently right now I'm doing it part-time as well. I spend about 30 minutes to an hour a day on the business, just depending on the days. Some days it's more, some days it's less. As I'm nearing the end of my pregnancy, I find it is a little bit less, but being stuck at home with quarantine, I do find that I have little pockets here and there to do it. I started seeing results pretty much right away in terms of getting traffic and that sort of thing on my website. And yeah, my story is very similar to Lena's in that in around January, I started seeing real results. For myself, it was really just looking for an extra, $500 a month to help contribute to the family finances without taking on more hours. But I'm really starting to see the long-term potential. And that's why I'm excited to start my maternity leave again. So I will have, a little bit more time at home. So hopefully when it's time to go back to work, my goal is to make it part-time, and I fully expect that I'll be able to do that in that time. So that's about it.